the wig I'll be dyeing, it looks a mess, but I'm gonna be washing it first and then I'm gonna start dyeing it. And I'm gonna be dyeing it hot pink or neon pink. Okay guys, as you can clearly see, the hair is freshly washed and I'm gonna be using neon pink. And as you can see, my water is already boiling. And here you just see me mixing in the dye so it don't settle to the bottom. And I already placed the wig in there. It's a really simple video, anybody can get it. And I actually let the hair sit for 5 to 10 minutes in the boiling water so the color can really take to the wig, you understand? Okay. Here I'm just gonna be washing out my wig and rinsing until the water turn clear, and just make sure all the excess dye is just out so it don't run on my clothes when I put it on. So I liked how this turned out. Anyways, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe for more videos from your girl. See you in my next one.